Para matugunan ang mataas na demand ng pasahero tuwing peak season sa Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, isang kasunduan ang pinirmahan ng Cebu Pacific at ng Fly a Deal. Naasahang ito rin ang magiging daan para mas mapabuti ang serbisyo at mapagsisilbihan ang mas maraming pasahero sa kanilang ruta. Balita, hatid ni Mark De La Rosa.
Sinelyuhan na ng Cebu Pacific at Fly a Deal ang isang kasunduan na magiging daan sa pagtutulungan sa operasyon ng dalawang budget airline carrier sa pamamagitan ng wet leasing.
But the first step on that is to sign for two aircraft, two A320ceos that we will be wet leasing. This is our aircraft, our crew, our maintenance. Will be providing cover for Stephen in his operation in Saudi Arabia during our low season and what happens to be a time when it's his peak season.
Ibig sabihin, ang wet lease agreement sa pagitan ng dalawang kumpanya ay isang uri ng kasunduan kung saan magagamit ng Fly a Deal ang buong serbisyo ng Cebu Pacific upang matugunan ang mataas na demand ng pasahero tuwing peak season sa Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
So our summer period, particularly between the months of June, July and August, is our absolute peak. It's quite short, but you can put on any flight and for the next day and it will sell. And it will fly for a period of 2 months. Exactly 2 months from the 20th of June, so through all of July and a big chunk of August as well, and then it will return to us. So that's the plan. The aircraft will be pure domestic, so Jeddah, Riyadh, if I'm not mistaken, Dammam and Abha, and so the aircraft will shuttle between them again. And obviously this will be the first time that we bring in Cebu Pacific into the kingdom, so we're very excited about that.
Buo ang tiwala ng dalawang airlines sa isa't isa para mas mapabuti ang serbisyo at mapagsilbihan ang mas maraming pasahero sa kanilang mga ruta. Sa kasalukuyan, nag-aalok ang Cebu Pacific ng 37 domestic at 26 na international destinations sa Asia, Australia at Middle East.
Look, it's good that the expansion's paying off. It's good to see that we lead in terms of total international passengers and seats on both domestic, which we've traditionally done, and now on international as well. We do think this is an indicator that travel is still quite healthy and people are looking to go overseas and explore new things.
Mark De La Rosa para sa mata ng Agila. Matatag, matapang, matapat.